Don't leave the house. You can't leave the house right now. Felt so fucking weird. I've only had that, like, a couple times. But then it's like, you're looking around and it's like, well, nothing happened last night. Earthquake? There's an earthquake right now. What the hell? Okay, what the fuck? That... Hold on a minute. You clipped some sort of nail. Yeah, no, the house is shaking. What the fuck is going on? I'm not crazy, right? The house is shaking? Yeah, no, it's shaking. Oh, okay. What the f- Like, it's not that harsh either. It's just, it started up very abruptly and I got really confused. Like, what? Content. No, this isn't for content. I'm fucking, like, really confused. What the hell? I have to look this up really quick. Emergency break time. No, I don't need to take an emergency break because it's not that violent, but I'm very confused. Second. It says 0. Well, I'm not the only one that felt it. This website is under heavy load, queue full. Also, I'm sorry I just doxed myself. Yeah, I am very sorry. We are not all like this. Like, the fact that this is, yeah, no, that there was just, okay. It stopped. It stopped. But, yeah. Okay. Oh boy, that's gonna be a clip. Be safe. It's not that bad. I think that was literally registered as, like, probably a 1. But the fact that that happened... You can tell I'm not used to that kind of stuff.